Hello, my name is Joshua Marie M. Hembrador, and this is my video demonstration for the laboratory exercise 7, which is about serial communication. So in this activity, I built a circuit with three LEDs, red, yellow, and green, and controlled them using the Arduino serial monitor. So here's my circuit. I have red, yellow, and green LED, which each connected through a 220 ohms resistor to digital pins 8, 9, and 10 on the Arduino Uno. All three LEDs share a common ground connection back to the Arduino's ground pin. So here we can see the code I uploaded. It listens for input from the serial monitor. When I type red, yellow, or green, uh, the corresponding LED turns on while the other two automatically turn off during typing off. Typing off turns all them off. So let me disconnect and connect the Arduino so you can see. So this is the opening. So I set the baud rate to 96, and here's the welcome message with the list of available commands. You can see here. So using a serial monitor as the main input device, control the status of all three LEDs using the corresponding commands red, yellow, green, off. When a specific LED color is encoded through the serial monitor, example red, the corresponding LED should turn on. To turn off any LED, the word off should be encoded to the serial monitor. So this is what I did to the interface. So if I input red, the the red LED should be turned on, and then when I tap yellow, the yellow LED turns on, and then when I type green, the green LED turns on. So what I did is, if I type a if I type any color, the previous color will turn off automatically. So only one LED turns on at a time. So you can also type like big letter, all big letter. You can see it turns red, and then yellow, and then green. And then when I type turn off, like type off, all of the LEDs turns off, or the current LED turns off. So let's try that again, red and then off, and then type yellow and then off. Oh, off. So that's it for my video demonstration. Thank you.